I've been with Reeves County, the Road and Bridge Department for 10 years. We are on County Road 311 in the middle of a road rehabilitation, approximately 15 miles south of Pecos. We are planning to rehabilitate this road and chip seal it towards the end of the summer. The relationship we have with Kirby-Smith is a very good working relationship. We recently purchased a Komatsu motor grader. Very satisfied with the Komatsu, dependable machine. So the main use for the Komatsu we have right now is just general road maintainment, preparation for the chip seal crew.
It drives real good, it handles real good. All the windows and everything, I can look to both sides, in front, back, everything. Because you gotta see where the blade is, you know, you need to pick it up a little or lower it down. The steering is real, it's hydraulic, it'll move this way, that way, real easy. Personally, what I like is the inside is more comfortable. For me, that's for me, you know.
Been very pleased with the HAMM Roller, very reliable, haven't had any issues with it. The guys seem to enjoy driving it. Ergonomic, it's very open and there's a lot of space for the driver to move, and his visibility is very high, so we're very pleased with the HAMM. We have 4 lead well water trucks. We purchased this one through Kirby-Smith. Very pleased with the truck, no problems whatsoever. Recently we also used this lead well water truck backup for the fire department. They had a fire out in the county where there's no access to fire hydrants, so they called us to refill the fire trucks, and everything was set up and ready to go just to fill up the fire trucks. Machines comes out ready to go on the job site, day in, day out.